Hello children. Today I am going to explain you Cuban Missile Crisis. In the previous session, I explained you what was the Cold War. During the Cold War, there was the competition between US and USSR that you all know. And what was the Cuban Missile Crisis? As the name shows, this was the crisis because of the placement, because of the installation of nuclear missiles in Cuba. So at that time, when it happened, Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962, and this was the high point. This was means the tension between US and USSR. It was at the peak. So in 1961, the leaders of USSR, as we all know, it is also known as the Soviet Union. The leaders of Soviet Union, leaders of USSR, they were very worried. Why were they worried? They were thinking that United States might invade Cuba and overthrow the president of Cuba, that is Fidel Castro. Fidel Castro was the president of Cuba at that time, and the leaders of USSR were worried that with the invasion on Cuba by America, they can overthrow this person, this overthrow the president of Cuba. So where is Cuba located? Cuba is an island nation very close to America, very close to United States. It is an island nation. And USSR was worried because Cuba was an ally of USSR. At that time, most of the countries in the world, they joined either of the power blocks, superpowers, that is US or USSR. And Cuba was the friend of USSR. And Cuba was getting the diplomatic and the financial help from USSR time to time. So Nikita Khrushchev, who was the leader of USSR, he decided to convert Cuba into Russian base. As I explained you last time, so smaller countries were very important for the superpowers because they can use them as their base, as their military base. The same happened at that time. Nikita Khrushchev decided to convert Cuba into Russian base, and in 1962 he placed nuclear missiles in Cuba. And obviously, first time in that Cold War, first time US was in a very close range of USSR with the placement of these missiles in Cuba. So after 3 weeks of the installation of these missiles in Cuba, the US became aware of it. इससे पहले उन्हें पता ही नहीं चला था कि nuclear missiles are placed by USSR in Cuba. And when they came to know, at that time John F. Kennedy was the president in US. अमेरिका के जो प्रेसिडेंट थे वो जॉन एफ कैनेडी थे. He and his advisor, most of the people, or those were the advisors with John F. Kennedy, they were not in that case, they did not want to initiate the war, because when there was a very close range, US was in the very close range of USSR, so obviously it was a very difficult situation for US also, but they did not want to initiate the war. But also they were determined to make Nikita Khrushchev to remove these missiles from Cuba. वो किसी भी तरह से उसे प्रेशराइज करके या डिप्लोमेटिक टॉक से ये उन्हें कहना चाहते थे, अपना मैसेज देना चाहते थे कि नहीं, ये मिसाइल्स यहाँ से हटाई जाएं. Okay, so at that time they were determined to get Khrushchev to remove these missiles and nuclear weapons from Cuba. So this clashes means, and there was John F. Kennedy, who was the president of United States at that time. He ordered to his army, to his forces, to stop those warships which were coming towards क्यूबा. जो क्यूबा की तरफ वॉरशिप्स आ रहे थे सोवियत यूनियन से, उनको वहीं पर रोकने के ऑर्डर्स दिए. तो ये उनको शो करना था, ये प्रूव करना था कि मीन्स यूनाइटेड स्टेट इज़ वेरी डिटर्मिन कि आप यहाँ से मिसाइल्स हटाओ. सो दिस वॉज द वेरी हाई टाइम ऑफ द क्यूबन ऑफ दिस कोल्ड वॉर, कि यहाँ पर जो है कि पूरे वर्ल्ड को ये था कि द होल वर्ल्ड वॉज वेरी नर्वस. So it was द कंडीशन ये लग रहा था कि अब कहीं फिर से वॉर ना हो जाए है। तो इस टाइम जो है कि ये फिर भी धीरे धीरे जो दिस क्लैश मेड, ये जो क्लैश जिसे हम कहते हैं, ये जो क्लैश एमर्ज हुआ था, एंड दिस क्लैश मेड द होल वर्ल्ड नर्वस, फॉर इट वुड हैव बीन नो ऑर्डिनरी वॉर, कि इन केस अगर वॉर हो जाती है, इफ वॉर ब्रोक आउट, तो ये कोई सिंपल वॉर नहीं होने वाली थी, ऑब्वियसली इट कुड बी अ world war. So eventually there was the world's great relief, both sides decided to avoid war. तो उस टाइम जो है कि दोनों साइड्स ने ये डिसाइड किया कि वॉर नहीं होगी, दे डिसाइडेड टू अवॉइड द वॉर, एंड द सोवियत शिप्स दोज वर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स क्यूबा, दे slowed down and turned back. So it was a great relief for the whole world. And but this clash, this time period is which this crisis is known as the Cuban Missile Crisis. Okay, so hope this Cuban Missile Crisis is clear to all of you. The Cuban Missile Crisis is related to the Cold War, high point of the Cold War. Three main leaders' names are here, which can be asked in the questions, which can be in your examination. Number one is Nikita Khrushchev. Nikita Khrushchev, he was the leader of USSR. Number two, Fidel Castro. Fidel Castro was the president of Cuba. And number three, John F. Kennedy, who was the president of United States of America. Have a nice day.